Science evolution. Evolution is the process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have developed from earlier forms during the history of Earth, where inherited traits are slightly tweaked through generations, forming a new species. It starts with the breeding of offspring, then over generations they change slightly each time, resulting in a new species. Did you know a famous scientist named Charles Darwin discovered the theory of evolution? He went on a 5-year voyage around the world in the 19th century studying plants and animals until he was blown off course. He discovered natural selection. There were 4 key points. Individuals' characteristics in the species varied. There had to be genetic differences. Stronger offspring had to reproduce and survive the environmental changes. Stronger genes had to be passed to offspring. Darwin's finches found on the Galapagos Islands led to Darwin's discoveries due to their varying characteristics. Darwin discovered the finches' characteristics varied. On the different islands they were fundamentally similar to each other, but also showed a wide variation in their size, beaks, claws from island to island. There are 4 ways evolution can occur. Overproduction, when a species produces too many offspring. Genetic recombination, when the offspring have a new set of genes. Mutations, a slight change in the DNA changing its characteristics. Natural selection, when the weaker offspring who can't adapt die, leaving the stronger ones. Speciation and isolation. Speciation involves the splitting of a single evolutionary lineage into 2 or more genetically independent lineages. There are 4 ways of isolation: temporal, mechanical, geographical, and behavioural. Temporal isolation is when 2 species who are capable of breeding together don't due to their seasons. Mechanical isolation is when the behaviour of an animal don't match up with the other, so they can't breed. Geographical isolation, when the species' environment and habitat keep them from mating with another species. Behavioural isolation, when a species starts to breed differently, so a split occurs, forming 2 new species. Adaptation. An adaptation is a mutation or a genetic change that helps an organism such as a plant or animal survive in its environment. It's not just Darwin's discoveries that supply evidence for evolution, other fields of science do. Fossils supply great evidence that evolution occurred. They display similarities and differences between old and existing species. Fossils show how much or how little organisms have changed over time. DNA supplies more evidence for evolution. The molecular structure shows it's been modified when inherited. The genetic code shows similarities and differences between species, and a phylogenetic tree of life shows how DNA is passed. Extinction. The dying out or termination of species. Extinction occurs when species are diminished because of environmental forces or because of evolutionary changes in their members. That's how humans became what we are today. The end.